Hello, namaste, and welcome to Nepali Riders in California. It's me Chandra Fuyal, and I am here in East Bay Motorsports. Today, I have a special review from CanAm Maverick Max X3 XRS Turbo RR. It comes with a color combo of Hyper Silver with a Fury Red. And let me go through this vehicle. The thing is, it has got a 200 horsepower. Also comes with the Fox internal bypass performance series shock suspension system. Look at the travel suspension, wow. Comes with the Rotax engine, triple cylinder, and yeah, you can fit 4 people on the cabin right here. But let me go inside the cockpit and ride this one out. Yep. You can adjust the handlebar as well as your preference. You have to have your harness on. Speed depends upon your harness as well. Like it controls the riding mode too. The good thing on this model is this time it comes really easy to shift as well. Like even the acceleration is really on the top notch. You can see here it hasn't got any infotainment display out here, but you can see the gas, the meter, everything in front of your steering. I just wanted to have one. It's got trail active mode, trail mode, 4x4, front differential lock, 2x4, and yeah, this is cool, right? Let me take this one to the showroom floor now. It's time to go, buddy, it's time to go. Let me see, I gotta see this one too. Otherwise, make sure I was right on that. Yeah, I was right. On the track, right? Okay. Go. Thank you guys for watching me. Watching me driving this thing, getting into the showroom floor. And stay tuned. Keep liking Nepali Riders in California. Sponsored by East Bay Motorsports. There you go. Let me know how you like this CanAm Maverick X3 XRS Turbo RR. It's a max. You can fit 4 people on it.